Today I will show you this dewy, glowy look with only a few products. And first of all, I use from Lancôme GénifiqueAdvanced. It's a beautiful serum which is hydrating, anti-aging, and makes the skin really glowy, and it feels amazing because it's like a soft texture and it goes deeply into the skin. Afterwards, I use some sunscreen from AVENE, which is also really nice, hydrates a lot of the skin and protects the skin from the sun. Afterwards, I use from Lancôme Teint Idole Ultra Wear Care and Glow, which is a beautiful foundation, makes the skin really even, it's buildable, it stays radiant for 24 hours and has hyaluronic acid, which moisturizes the skin a lot. And it has also SPF 25, so the skin is also protected. This foundation does not settle and fine lines and does not rub off and makes a flawless, even makeup look that does not fade. It's so beautiful. From the middle of the face, I blend the foundation out until to the ears and to the neck. From Charlotte Tilbury, I use the Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer, which is really nice. It has a medium coverage and it's also buildable. Doesn't leave a strange feeling under the eyes. It's completely smooth and doesn't go in the fine lines of the eyes. So it's completely sensitive also for the sensitive skin under the eyes. I blended the product with a brush into the skin and also apply it to areas where redness shows through. Afterwards, I use from Charlotte Tilbury Charlotte's Airbrush Brightening Flavorless Finish. It's a flawless brightening filter for eyes and face. This micro powder for the ultimate brightening, smudging and lifting effect. I use this product especially in the T-zone where I want to fix my makeup. Afterwards, I use from Dior the Dior Forever Natural Bronze. It blends perfectly into the skin and gives it a subtle tan with natural glow, and it's long lasting. So the formula is based on 95% pigments of mineral origin, which guarantee an amazing natural makeup result. So I put this product on my forehead, on the cheeks and also on the nose to get a sun-kissed look. Now I use the lip mask from Laneige. It's a lip mask for the night, but I use it also on the day because it's so beautiful. Now I use the eyeshadow palette from Charlotte Tilbury, Pillow Talk, and I use my finger to apply the eyeshadow to my movable eyelid. For this I take the color that is a little bit more orange. It looks super fresh and natural. After that, I use slightly the pink colored one. For blending, I use the bronzer from Dior again to create a nice transition. Because it's matte, it looks very natural in the end. Since it's a bronzer, you can also use it on the bridge of your nose to contour it a little bit. I like to use the bronzer under my eyes to create a nice connection to the top. I think it's always looks very natural. Guys, and I have to tell you that I love the Lash Idole mascara from Lancôme. It's so beautiful. It coats the lashes without clumping and they feel nourished and don't feel heavy at all. Then I fill my eyebrows with the Zoeva Remarkable Brow Pencil in the color Brown Taupe. Right now they look a little bit dark, but in the light you can see that they're not so dark. They look very natural. But anyways, with a fine line eyebrow pencil, it looks more natural, of course. This eyebrow gel by Gosh tames every hair on the eyebrows and lifts them upwards. On the other side, it has two brushes so you can style your eyebrows nicely. I close my upper waterline with the black pencil from Lancôme. It also visually thickens my lashes. And now I use Velvet Touch Creamy Stick Blush from Kiko Milano. It's a soft and creamy texture. It's very pleasant and on the skin and also adheres very well. It has a very natural finish. I put it on my cheeks and also on my nose. It looks very fresh and youthful. Then I apply Spotlight Highlighter from Charlotte Tilbury to the highest points of my face. I love this highlighter because it always gives you a beautiful glow. You can apply the product with your fingers, a sponge or a brush, whichever is most convenient for you. I put Velvet Touch Creamy Blush Stick on my lips. I like it when lips and blush are the same color. This is a great option, especially when things have to be done quickly. We are slowly coming to the end. If you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment. I would be very happy if you subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for your time, and this is what the look looks like in the daylight. Super natural and glowy. Thank you and bye bye.